Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cook. Subscribers, you know I'm appreciating you. New viewers become subscribers. We're continuing the Mr. B drinks tonight by doing an adult version of a root beer float, which I'm calling a root beer cake float. So, this is iced cake. This happens to be Smirnoff Vodka. I've put a shot in each one of these mugs. I've got some regular vanilla ice cream. Whatever brand floats your boat is fine. And if you want to switch up the ice cream, if you make your floats with something else, go for it. So that was 2 scoops in that. I'm going to do 2 scoops in this one. Again, I already have my shot of vodka in there. I'm using A&W root beer. But you can use whatever brand you like, if you like Barks or whatever. The reason I put the vodka in the bottom is I want it to get well incorporated into the drink. If you put it in on top, you tend to get a spike of that vodka right off the bat, and you don't want that. You want it to mix so that it gives it kind of a cake and ice cream flavor. Top it off. This is ready whip topping. We got some maraschino cherries here. Down that right up on top. Spoon in the side. And then just to give it more of a party flair, I happen to have some sprinkles, totally optional. But I think it makes it look more like a party. Really easy, really tasty. If you don't believe me, you can check with my mother and my wife. They both loved them the last time I made them. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what kind of adult floats you're making. Otherwise, check back for the next video. And as always, take care. Peace.